What is up, YouTube? Happy Friday and welcome to Get Technical. I'm Neil Hamilton. With me is my buddy, producer Aaron Bree.
Don't be smoking too much of that grass today, you know.
Be smoking too much of that grass. We're excited about solar energy. Does Hamlet live? No, Hamlet is dead, dude. Hamlet's the name of my plant. That plant is supposed to have more leaves than that. We'll just tilt the camera a little bit. No need to draw attention to that. Happy Friday, Mike. Thank you for being with us. Can we look at BNGO? Oh, damn. Like a sir. Like an aristocrat. Like an aristorat. Can we look at BNGO? Yes, we can.
And Bingo was his name.
Let me hit a couple picks first. Right now, I'm using line chart. I'm going to switch over right quick to the candles. Green line is VWAP. Unanchored VWAP is the green line, my friend. Looking at tan on the 1 week. All right. Rising volume down here, people. We've got this channel right here. These highs and lows. We are now above the VWAP. Volume weighted something. It's important. All right. Solar energy happening. My pick from 2 days ago. Sheesh. Worked out. Turns out it's the top holding in TAN. T-A-N. Solar energy ETF. I'm comparing TAN to the S&P 500 and showing that it has emerging strength, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that buying power coming in for solar energy against the rest of the S&P 500 on the 1 week. Look at us hitting that low and bouncing back up. All right, now let's just go back to just TAN, the ETF. Again, trading above the VWAP right there. And on the daily, also trading above the VWAP. Anchoring the VWAP to this previous high. We are on our way to a very clear price target here with TAN. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, 7.41% there on TAN, the solar ETF. We've got the, where's my paintbrush? We've got the V-shaped reversal with the shelf going up. So we're looking at solar stocks right now, baby. Guys, make sure that you're looking at the holdings that are in TAN and watching them out. Run is a good one. Look at this thing. Fantastic. Fantastic. Billy with the cup with handle breakout. Breakout was at this level. These are all just solar stocks. Broke out, buy signal. Room to go on the RSI above the VWAP. VWAP is anchored around the previous high here. We are looking good on both VWAPs. Like in Billy. Obviously, the next
did you
price
say
target.
Did you just say Billy's a solar stock?
Isn't it? Technology service internet. Wait, why the hell is Billy in here? It's not a solar stock. I still like it. I just put it. I reused a watch list. Whatever, guys. I got good stocks for you here. I get technical. It's a cup with handle. This one's solar for sure. We already talked about that. Fang. Targeting on the daily. Our sloping line of resistance within this cup with handle pattern that is forming here. Liking it. Solar edge. Here, let me change the anchor for the VWAP to Jan 21. 8th of January, 2021. Then actually, hold on. 12. 13. Wait, why did it disappear into oblivion? Whatever, don't worry about that. Still, Solar Edge broken out of this resistance, a sloping line of resistance. Looking good. Plenty of room to go here on RSI. We like solar stocks right now. So give me your solar picks. So I said I would hit BNGO.
I like Run still. We talked about it the other day.
I like it a lot. Nargis007 liked it on Twitter as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I mean, they're all doing the same thing. Run has a shoot ton of volume, so very good reason to like it. Let's switch this over to weekly. Looking like a beast on the weekly. Let's go. Run might be the best one.
This is a stock that I have in like my long-term portfolio. My Roth.
Really?
Yeah.
Good for you.
But I bought it at like $60, so I'm still down a bunch on the position.
Looking good now. All right, so let's get over to the daily. Let's look at BNGO. That's gonna be a genomics company, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Bionano Genomics. Yep. Whoop. All right, so let's delete everything that I have here from the past. It's like got some really low volume right now. What was it like for this gap? Yeah, I got a little above average. Let's just take a look at this. Below average volume. Nonetheless, do a couple things. So this is our V reversal. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. And now correcting after that reversal. Interesting. Interesting. It likes this support level. Going to the 1 hour. This was a tough cookie. There we go. There we go. So on the 1 hour, I think we want to get into some higher highs here. We're going to hit resistance. Definitely going to hit resistance at 792. But then these levels are lining right up with your Fibonacci at $8. So I think $8 is both a good target and a good entry price if you've got good volume behind it. ENPH we already hit. ENPH had two things going for it. Oh, I mean, you can look at it in a ton of ways, but ENPH has been great. The thing that caught my attention was I was just doing some research and I was looking for volatility squeezes. So I turned on my Bollinger Band and my Keltner channels, and I noticed that the Bollinger Band was coming in on the Keltner channel here. The Keltner channel is an exponential channel, so it is more reactive to price changes, whereas the Bollinger Band is a simple moving average, or is based on a simple moving average. So it's a little bit more laggy, a little bit smoother. But when that Bollinger Band starts to encroach on that Keltner channel space, That is what we call a volatility squeeze, and usually we just cycle between volatility, squeeze, volatility, squeeze. We just cycle between those two sorts of states of the price action. Also, very clear that we had broken above the sloping line of resistance. And I mean, so much going on. Let me delete this, all the drawings. Also, very obvious one for this is... Wait, where am I drawing? Okay, over here. Is the gap zone. Big old down gap to be close, and that's exactly what it did. Setting your price targets based on the gaps. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Still a good name, though. The whole space is strong. ACB. All right, so from chat, let's see. Rocket Ventures. Hey, cool it. Rocket Ventures wanted us to look at ACB. It is right on the 200-day moving average. So that's my red line here in this chart. Right at that line. The orange line is the 65 EMA. Pretty cool shirt. Got it from Mighty Soldier Trades. This is Andy Cole, 65 EMA. We love it in momentum. Look at this. Look at what they did to our boy. ACB, support at the 200-day simple moving average, resistance at the 65 exponential moving average. Smack dab in the middle. Buy signal across above the 65. Hi, Michael.
Hi, Michael.
Mike Wisdom. All solars seem to have the chart. Yeah, that's kind of the way it goes. When you get sector sector rotation, when we're rotating into a sector, they'll get the same kind of behavior. You just want to find the ones that you understand the most, and it's all about timing them. A lot of times, there will be one or two that show up as just the biggest runners by magnitude. Like when we were in oil, I think XOM. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure XOM had the biggest moves. It was just the volume leader. So I think a really good way when we get the sector rotation, like we're getting into solar. So I started, my list is a little bit scuffed right now. I need to fix it, but I basically took TAN, which is a solar energy ETF, and started taking the holdings in it and adding them to this watch list, which I need to clean up because there's a couple non-solars in here. But you take all the holdings from the sector ETF, and then start cycling through them, and then try to find the ones that have the most volume. Those are typically the ones that you're going to see be the big runners. And also you can tell by looking at the price action. I mean, if they got, big old candles. But also the caveat to that is if they have had big moves, they're probably about to enter a corrective phase. So it is a balancing act. We're using every tool in our technical analysis playbook once we've identified a strong sector to find the best stocks at the best times for entry and exit. And that's a game. That's just how we do it. Mitch says rotation out of X, like specifically just... Oh, what have they done to our boy?
I think all commodities and metals were getting hit like the past couple of days, not just steel.
Yeah. I mean, if you go GDX, you got gold with a gap down way down there. Same thing with silver. Way down there. Silver just stopped at the 200 moving average. But solar... I don't know why. I just know what is. Yeah,
Yeah, the gold gap down is interesting to me because like everyone's talking about inflation. That kind of like that makes me think that all this talk about inflation is kind of overblown because I think, like the markets at the end of the day are the deciders, right? So if inflation was really like that bad right now, I feel like gold would be getting a little bit more love. But what do I
Inflation's
know?
just a favorite thing for news organizations to talk about.
Yeah, it's like today the market opened down like 1% and all the headlines were like due to inflation fears, but then you check gold and gold wasn't up at all. So it just makes no sense to me. Like the market.
Well, the market doesn't make sense. That's one thing because it's made up of people, and people are inherently just don't have control over their minds. But it doesn't mean like people. The market could be screwed because of inflation, and people might not be rushing to gold. It could just be retail traders being idiots.
But also like Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin's supposed to be a hedge against inflation as well, and that's been down too.
Yeah, but well, I mean, now we're getting into fundamentals, but I think Bitcoin, like it's been really drilled home, the energy problems with Bitcoin. You know what I mean? But plus, Bitcoin's just in we guys, don't send me your hate mail. But Bitcoin's just sort of been in a death spiral. I mean, once you're sort of locked into this pattern, everyone's watching it, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Yeah, I mean, you said yesterday that you think this could drop all the way down to 10K based on the technicals.
Yep. All right, so I want to hit some of these stocks. Michael is just energy. He's just energy anything. What, you want some oil?
No, he's saying we got to bring the energy.
No, that's not what he's saying. He's talking about energy stocks. ORPH. Well, let's say ET because 13's here. Energy transfer. What a beautiful freaking run this thing had. Absolutely beautiful. You got your little corrective phase. Everybody freaked out. Got rid of the weak hands. Cowards. And then, sheesh, corrective phase there. And then now a little selling action. I mean, I would be in profit taking world right now with ET. So we got Psychotropic Thunder, cool name, saying that Psychotropic Thunder, my bad, saying that there's some manipulation there with gold. We love energy and we love to pumped up Neil AMB. I have not been getting enough sleep this week. I'm sorry, guys. I can't bring that extra zang to the situation. I'm just trying to breathe. All right, Natalia wants to see Neo. We've discussed this. We're back looking at Neo. Deleting all of my drawings. We're going to run it back. I actually want to lose this and just use the VWAP. And then I want to anchor my VWAP at Jan 11. Why does it disappear? Why is this broken? Can we talk to Pierce? So I get the right
Pierce.
air?
From Trading View.
Yeah. Is it just because of the hour I did is stupid?
Maybe he just doesn't like you. I don't know why.
I don't know why he would break the VWAP on his platform. At any rate, just like the standard VWAP that comes with is this what the heck? I can't work in these conditions. So looking at Neo, clearly hitting some resistance here. All right, so let's look at the weekly to get a better idea. None of the weeks really close like that. Month? No. I mean, definite trend reversal. I can hear Michael Murray's deep voice in the background.
Wait, from that far away?
Yeah. I love that idea. I love it. Let's schedule a call. Do golf. This guy's
Do you mind if I
that's how
call you?
business is
Do you
done.
mind if I call you at midnight?
Text is cool, right? Text is cool. Communicate by text. Look, here's what I got to say about Neo. In the overbought zone, people are a little bit iffy about it. Volume below average. I think wait and watch for that young corrective consolidation phase with NIO for an entry, because you've got your impulse here. Now we need a corrective phase. It's either going to go like that or maybe go like that. Don't be freaked out if it goes like this. It'll just go down to this line probably. All right. That's at about 44 bucks, 44 and a half. All right. Which lines up with these other levels of resistance. So I would say we're at wait and see. You're like a duck hunter in a duck blind. Duck hunter blind. This is you, Natalia. We get an image of what these guys do out there. Yeah, this is you. You built this structure on your brokerage, and you're in there. You've taken your allergy medication. You're covered in the hay. You got a bunch of fake ducks, and you're just waiting. All right. And so what we need is for Neo to go back into the water, and then when it comes up, spring out of the duck blind like this guy, and you blast it. All right. So wait for it to go back in the water. All right. Let's see what's next. Is there a music playlist for this show? Yeah, it is.
It'll cost you, Will.
Here's the link.
No, we'll have to Venmo. Oh, you just gave it away. We could have made money off that.
Oh shit. All right. Drop your Venmo address in.
Right.
Will, you got the playlist in chat. There you go, bud. It's T-Pain's playlist that doesn't have it's royalty-free playlist for streamers because everyone else is assholes.
But T-Pain's cool.
Been T-Pain cool. ORPH.
Sorry, I have to check what my Venmo is. I want to make sure I get it right, so you're not Venmoing just a random Aaron.
If you put your Venmo in here, I'll have orders with you.
Oh wait, let me delete it.
Wait, if you want to tip producer AB, that's fine. Actually, put your Venmo in.
You can
better
also
yet, like the channel, and I'll buy producer AB lunch. Give us a like. ORPH. Look. Who put this in here? Seth. Love you, man. Really love you. ORPH is a binary situation stock because it's a healthcare space. This is something that you really got to watch the fundamentals for and be aware of what news is upcoming. This is not something that I'm interested in trading technically because it doesn't follow rules that make it easy for me to trade. Not my kind of stock. I'm a momentum/trend trader, which is a lot more technical. You can use technicals when you know the fundamentals of what's going on with this. But I don't want to get whipsawed by some stupid FDA thing that came up because I don't sit down and follow every single thing this organization does. I'm a rolling stone with stocks, you know? I don't like to stick with one for a long time. It never works out. I always rub them the wrong way. So I just like to get one stock for like a day, maybe a week, look it deep in the eyes, strong eye contact until it pops. And that's just kind of how my relationship with stocks are. All right, so let's look at Cat. Is that actually Caterpillar dredges? Yeah, the word of the day is dredge. DREDGE. Yes, it is. I've operated some Caterpillars in the past. My dad's a contractor. I have operated backhoes and excavators and stuff like that. It's been a long time. I need to get back in the game. All right, I'm looking at the 10-minute. Actually, let me go back to ORF really quick and just look at it on the daily. Yeah. You know how technical analysts and nerds talk about like chart patterns and stuff like that? This is not. All right, so Cat. Sheesh. What the heck? What did you guys do to Cat? Look, hey, guys. I see a rat snack in the making. What did you guys do to my baby? Yeah, so Mike Wisdom, thank you for that. That's what you use Benzinga Pro for. Yeah, I don't like getting caught off guard by stuff like that. So okay, Cat has found its level of support, which is its previous level of resistance. Let's get that in there. Hey, producer AB, you're getting a lot of background noise. I gotta tell you, your headphones suck. All right. So, are we done with this distribution phase? Are we done? Let's go to the weekly. Damn, dude, what a cliff. Could be. Could be done. Could be done. Let me go back and see if we got some previous price levels that are helpful here. Going to the weekly. Nope, this is just all-time high territory. We'll go to the monthly, turn off the VWAP. I like this wedge. This is a great area to use to trade for this run. All right, so let's do it like this. VWAP anchoring at the top of the previous high. Looks like it actually broke past the price target. I mean, kind of lucky that you got past that, but a lot of times you don't. Maybe we need to go back in time a bit further. Not really. I mean, it's counting this as support. So we had this little double toppy, sloppy. Neither are tremendously helpful here. Yeah, look. Cat had a great run, and it's been great. A lot of people have talked about it. People that I work with, people that I talk to with about trading. But very simply, when I'm just looking at a trend, perhaps ending, we got this Bollinger Band. What you don't want to see with your Bollinger Band is the red line going, meow. I'm too tired tonight. Meow. You don't want to see that. So I'd say we're out of trend, so we need to see some corrective action here. What's really nice is that it's super oversold. Look. I don't think it's crazy to take this alone as a buy signal. I don't think it's crazy, especially because we're getting that a spike in buy volume today that might continue into next week. I'm not going to enter until I see a little bit more. It's got to prove itself to me. But I do like how oversold this is. All right, so we clearly have a demand zone. This yellow line is this is a demand level. So let's wait and see. Your target is going to be this 20-day moving average at 232. So from here, that would be a gain of it's like 10.5%, something like that. So definitely one to watch. Love finding lower RSI stocks on situations on stocks that have strength and are actually good. Mike Wisdom, commodities keep going down, so will Cat. We shall see. We shall see. You have levels at $200. Look at daily 200 MA and EMA. So the master of the 200 moving average is here. Weird song. Can we just... someone's got to talk to T-Pain about that one. Yeah, so 13 in chat is bringing up that this 200 level is going to be a next potential line of support, as it often is. Classic investor stuff. This is textbook stuff. If you like low RSI, look at TSN. What is TSN? Oh, Tyson Foods, baby! Oh, yeah. I got into Tyson Foods too late. At some point in the past and lost money, but yeah. Same thing, different stock. Got this level here with the 200 that you can watch for. Yeah, it's just a big old rounding top. So the whole thing, guys, stocks go in patterns like this. We want to try to recognize this area and get in. Getting in here is less fun. Usually you're looking for something like that and you want to get in there. So right now, that's not where Tyson is. Tyson is right here. Boink. 500. Okay, you want the 500? Jeez. Okay, everyone, this guy is serious. All right. You need to have your 500, 200-day moving averages on. All right, so there you go. I just don't like to have too many squiggly squagglies on my chart all the time, all right, man? And sometimes I forget to turn them back on. But I agree. These are very important moving averages. Algos and traditional traders are looking at them. Yeah, baby. Believe it. The 500. That's right. FCX. Yeah, okay. Let's find some stocks that aren't getting totally shit on for a second. BAC is Bank of America. Financials are spent. Hold on. So XLF. So this is Bank of America. It's got the same pattern. This is top city. Look, stocks follow this pattern, and that's what this is doing. And then look at this, rounding top. So I don't need to look at the 200 and all that kind of stuff to start projecting something like. Let me delete that. Get my ruler out. I just need a ruler. Classic geometry. Identify like this as the neckline, and say that this is sort of our line of support right here. Excuse me. Could be a little bit lower like this, but looking for something like that for a bounce on BAC. Unless something else starts to form. We got to see that reversal pattern. We got to see some ass cheeks. We got to see that inverted head and shoulders. We got to see that V-shaped reversal. We don't have it right here, so there you go. That's a no for me. And then XLF, looking at the financials sector ETF. JC Peretz of All Star Charts. Whoops. Uncle JC. This guy. Hold on. Can we make this like an emote? Told you. Called it. So JC Peretz was on the show. And he just called $38.26 the high for XLF, which is your financial sector. And look what it did. It pooped its pants in front of everybody in the cafeteria. So not the place to be. Regional banks might be different. Is there a regional bank ETF? Might be different. We'll take a look. KBW? KRE. Yeah. Okay. That's familiar. KRE. We'll apply the same analysis. Oh, look who else pooped their pants. Regional banks. JC did not say that Apple was going down to $80. If he did, show me the tweet. Well, I mean, maybe he did. Look, I'm not an Apple bull at the moment. I gotta be straight up with you guys. I'm also a little bit burned. I'm a little bit upset. By the way, Andy Cole from Mighty Soldiers Trades is here. He's the man behind the genius of the magical exponential moving average 65 on all time frames. So make sure you check out Mighty Soldiers Trades, Discord, live stream, follow him on Twitter. Yeah, I don't know. Not really. I'm not feeling Apple, guys. Gold. Yeah, we looked at gold already. He made a good point about inflation and fold, though it seems if inflation was up, why is gold down? Oh, inflation and gold. Yeah, so he made the same point that producer AB made, actually. Don't forget, producer AB got a perfect score on his SATs. Oh, during the cannabis conference? Wait, he'll be the first to tell you that he wasn't predicting something. He was saying that's what it looks like it'll do. And there is a distinction. Come on, it's technical analysis. What about oil? Well, USO looks good. I mean, maybe it's overbought at these levels on the weekly. I mean, I'm not buying when it's overbought like this. It's exactly at resistance. But, I mean, I see where you're coming from, young man. So that's the weekly. Let's go to the daily. We got some gaps to fill coming up here. And you do fairly astutely, you probably notice that we have a golden cross. 50-day moving average crossing above the 200-day simple moving average. So some gaps might be filled here. Let me just... I'm gonna have all solar stocks. I'm just gonna have one filthy oil stock in the watch list. That's gonna be my ace in the hole. Yeah, I mean, shit. About 20% up to the next level of resistance. Then with that gap to fill, if we fill that gap from where we are right now, that's like 40%. Let's go. Let us go. Nice. Yeah, I like USO. 13, what? You want a stock that isn't depressing with a lot more upside? I don't think any stocks are inherently impressing, 13, so I reject the premise. But I'm curious about what stock you're talking about because it has upside. And you use 7 question marks, which, as you know, gets every streamer's attention when they see it in chat. Wait, Facebook? You said that the stock wasn't depressing. Literally monetizes all of the failings of the human psyche. All of the imperfections of the human experiment turned into dollars for one goofy little dude with a robot haircut. And I'm not saying that was a specific person. I just want to say that Mark Zucky, I know that you watch this show, and we would love to have you on anytime. Anytime. You name it. It doesn't matter if it's a weekend. The haircut, I was talking about producer AP. Big Apple holder. Or, I'm sorry, Facebook. Apple, disgusting. But their new changes to iOS that are messing up your advertising, Facebook, I can't believe it. So not cool. So not cool. Facebook, sorry about that, Zucky. Look at that. Look at that, 13. Take that Fibonacci. The trader's Swiss Army knife, anchoring it on the 25th, the high of the 25th of August, the low on the 14th of January, 2021. And that the August is going all the way back to 2020. Again, stopped right out at that 1.6, which is often going to be your primary price target for these moves. Cool. Oh, he said, oh, thank you, my moderator, Happy Muhammad. Thank you. Said MSFT. All right. Yeah, I'm with you 100. I'm with you 100% on this one. Microsoft, not a depressing stock. But I mean, obviously, this is do or die time. Do or die time. Let's get it. Okay, so we got our moving averages out because it's a 13 stock, so that means that he loves every single moving average that exists. So let's see what this is the way that I think that 13 looks at his charts. Yes, I see. the squigglies. The blue squiggly in particular, yes, has certainly served as support. Actually, let me check on what the blue squiggly is. The 100-day moving average. 100-day moving average. All right. Turn off the squigglies. I think I've seen enough. I'm just going to keep the 65 on. I'll keep on the 200 so I don't get down any dislikes on the video. Let's keep that on and then turn on the WAP. I mean, Microsoft trading above the VWAP. Bullish territory. Room to go on RSI. Just need a breakout above this level. Neil's going long Microsoft if it breaks above $263.31. Which Fibonacci do you use? Just the Fibonacci retracement. Just the standard Fibonacci retracement. Hey guys. Ding, 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 ding. We need like a special sound. We got a pumper in the chat. Bitfarm, guys. So if you guys are looking for a pump opportunity, there you go. That's Bitfarm. HubSpot looking good. Is there? Hubs, yeah, nice. Oh, yeah. Wait, did I set up? Hold on, let's go back in time and then let me blow you a little bit on just how skilled I am. Looks like I set up a trade here. What was I thinking? What was I? Oh, here's what it is. I identified a cup with handle, and I set a price target for about 612. We haven't hit it yet. In fact, we got totally rejected on the cup with handle and had a failed breakout, which is, as you guys know, from failed moves come fast moves. Red candle, red candle, red candle. So not only was I stopped out, but if I didn't have a stop loss, I would have been decimated. Late night call to Aaron Bree, just to have someone to talk to. So, you know, not going to brag about that. I'm just going to get rid of that. But yeah, what a run. We're overbought now. Opportunity must wait. Song is also really weird. I mean, it could. It very well could. HubSpot could run. It very well could. Wait, what was perfect? Oh, yeah. I didn't go over Airbnb. I keep forgetting to add to Airbnb. Airbnb, guys, what does a V-shaped reversal look like? Down, up, shelf, down, up, shelf. We were out of a downtrend. We were in an uptrend, confirmed by our green liner buddy here, the VWAP. We are trading above the VWAP now officially with Airbnb. We are holding it. I love Airbnb. Best business model. This is one of the only stocks where I'm going to say I like the fundamentals of it. It looks like the distribution has ended and we are entering our, well, I freaking hope so this early for the stock. We might be entering our accumulation phase here for Airbnb. Not bad. Would like to see it cross above the 65 EMA. It does that, I'm going bonkers. If it does that, I'm calling my broker. But it is in really nice territory. Ain't nothing wrong with scooping up some Airbnb. Let's get out the Fibonacci. Yep, we're broken above that resistance level. Just watch that 65. We want to get above that 65. Life is good when you're above the 65. Hurt Scrambler, long. I am in spirit. I need to scoop up some shares. PLTR, we hit this one, I think, yesterday. You know what? Guys, I love stocks. But let me check in on something. Okay. Yeah, I think this might work. All right, guys. Producer AB, he's a producer. It's the producer's job to keep things organized, make sure we have guests on the show, make sure we start on time, make sure that Jason Resnick doesn't bloviate too much on Power Hour, which is the show that comes before us, so that we can get started on a good time for you guys, so we can give you trade ideas, have some fun, maybe take your mind off of some stuff that's bumming you out, entertainment, education, hopefully in equal measure. Producer AB made a mistake. And I made it very clear that I was going to be fair and give him a very clear punishment. That punishment was wearing the rat suit on the show for one day. Aaron Bree's response to me, which I like this about Aaron Bree, is that if he challenged me, he said, by trial by combat, which is something that we in the Hamilton family have long respected for generations, by trial by combat via chess match, if he beats me in a chess match live on stream, that he will not wear the rat suit. But if he loses, he will wear the rat suit for 2 days in a row on live stream. And the whole thing about this rat suit, guys, is he's got to do the little face paint. He's got to do the cute little nose, and I think we add whiskers too. And he's not allowed to mention it or talk about it. And yes, he's on other shows. It's not just this show. So this is a full day of him wearing this rat suit without mentioning it at all to anyone. So I think that we're going to do that chess match. Producer AB, do you have your shit together for a chess match?
Yeah, I mean, as much as I can't. Spencer.
No. So we got Spencer, who's like guaranteed was in chess club or had like a teacher who AB can cheat with, but we're not freaking doing that. So we're gonna have producer AB. Bear in mind, all right, guys. So keep your eyes on the prize. It's right here, and right here. This is the prize right here. Jesus, where'd you get those sunglasses? This is amazing. This is amazing. This picture is great. All right, so I'm gonna drop you a link in Slack, producer AB.
Okay.
No funny business with Spencer Israel. That's all I need.
We only have 10 minutes at this point, so we gotta go.
We're gonna do a 10-minute match.
Got it.
All right. So great website, bad UI. Let's find it. How do we do it? So I want to play. I want to challenge a friend. Play a friend. Challenge link. Boom. Copy. Aaron. Oh, not Aaron Thomas. If I hear Spencer's voice even for a moment, I'll blow this up. I'll blow this whole thing up. All right, click it and share your screen so I know there's no funny business. Is Light Chess better? Is that the Magnus Carlsen one? This one's weird. I like this one. Click the link.
Yes, this thing like broke my. All right, I'm here. I just click play.
Okay. Yep. So we're ready to go. You go first.
All right. Quick. We gotta go quick.
Okay.
Oh man, that was quick.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. It was super bad.
Oh, that's my king. Wait, which one's the king? Which
Did
one's
you just move your king? All right.
Oh my god, you put me in check already.
So bad. This is so bad.
Oh no, he's gonna get out of here, Spencer. Oh god,
Spencer, get out!
Oh no, he's got my queen already. Fuck. See what you did, Spencer? You distracted me. You're just wreaking havoc with me on that with that horsey.
I've made terrible blunders so far. Any chess player, any chess players are like deal fucked up real bad, like right at the beginning. All right.
I see what you're doing, Mr. Hamilton. You're not going to catch me sleeping.
Shit.
Oh God, I don't like what's. I can't even protect my rook now. He's gone. There's nothing I can do about that.
Yeah, James.
Oh.
Yeah, people are making fun.
Gosh, darny.
Nice. Legend.
Check. Fuck. See ya. Gosh, darny. Wow, you're getting aggressive with that king out there. I like it.
Oh God, this game is so stupid. Right. I'll be surprised if you. Hey.
No. I like that pawn. No. No. Doy.
Should be editor. She had just when we last spoke about the latest. She had just given.
Wait, where are you? Are you in? How long are you going to be in Michigan? All right, whatever. It's getting delivered to my apartment.
No, I'll be here. You can deliver it to the office. Wait, make sure you're not doing the kids one. Was that a kids one?
I didn't get the kids one. I got the big boy one. All right, guys. Any last stocks you want to take a look at? Or we can look at a stock, or if someone wants to play me on chess, the first person to click this link has it. I'd love to play against a chat member. Challenge link is in chat. And then while I wait for someone to click that link to step up to the plate, we will look at. Okay, someone did it.
Oh, this is a speed run.
No, it's a 10-minute match, but we don't have much time on the show. 2 minutes. Guest. Make your move. Queen and rook trap. You just want to break above the 65 EMA. It's lining right up with the VWAPs. Right now it's trading below VWAP on HOTH Hoth. So you just want to break above the 65 exponential moving average of the daily chart. And you can target the previous high on the body of that candle. Playing somewhat conservatively. I don't like this. I don't know what to do. Please explain the price history of billions. Oh, shit. What do you take? No. What they take.
Well, we do have Moon or Bust starting right now, so I don't know if this match will be over in time.
Yeah, no, it probably won't. It's 202. I will keep this match going. But I want to thank you for tuning in. Today's been an especially fun Friday fun day. We got the rat costume on the way for your boy producer AB. So stay tuned for that. Whoever I'm playing chess match with right now, you good. You're good at chess. Yeah, solar stocks. I'll end on that note. This has been Get Technical. My name is Neil Hamilton. Follow me on Twitter at Neil's Tweets. With me, as always, has been producer AB. What a champion. And Ramon, is that you? I'm not going to concede. Anyways, up next, we got Moon or Bust, which is our crypto show. A lot of fundamentals on crypto, keeping you up to date on all those new poop coins. So stick around, and I will see you on Monday. Happy trading.